Hey friends, if you wish to use drag and drop on Windows 11 taskbar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's the thing. If I was to search for, let's say, an app, and then I would try and dragging it to the taskbar, would it work? The answer is no. I would have to right click on it and select pin to taskbar for that, which is somewhat a heavier procedure. It needs more time. And to unpin it, obviously right click on it and select unpin from taskbar. But if you have anything on the desktop, you can simply pull it to the taskbar directly. Okay. And in the case of files in the file explorer, if it is an executable file, then you can drag and drop it. Otherwise you cannot. This is how drag and drop works on the taskbar, and it is always enabled. It is enabled by default. You don't need to change it separately. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.